Hello, we're the Moraine Park accounting faculty full-time, and I'm Tom Zimdahl, and my main campus is Beaver Dam, but I also teach on all three campuses and online.
Good morning, my name is Julie Dilling. I teach primarily on the Fond du Lac campus, although I do make it to the other campuses, and teach online as well.
My name is Jeremy Maurer. I teach primarily on West Bend and Fond du Lac, though I do go to all the campuses and online.
Hi, I'm Joan Folter. I'm primarily on the West Bend campus, but as with the other instructors, I do go to all campuses and online.
One thing we teach in the very first class is accounting is the language of business, which means that your opportunities as a career with an accounting degree are limitless in that world of business.
If you choose to go into the accounting program, you'll get to learn the accounting cycle from beginning to end, dealing with first our service companies, and then we expand into more merchandising and manufacturing companies.
Through the accounting program, you're going to take classes on several different specific programs or software packages, including Excel and QuickBooks.
You will actually experience working with documents, not just doing the journal entries. So things like the bill of lading and invoicing and purchase requisitions and receiving reports. So that when you leave the program, you feel confident in that first job.
Similarly, in payroll accounting, we do a payroll from the beginning to the end. So you will experience during that project like you are actually working in the payroll department for a company. We'll look at time cards for hourly people. We'll look at pay rates for salary people. We'll process that payroll, take out any necessary taxes and deductions. And then once that is complete, we'll move on to the payroll forms that need to be submitted either quarterly or annually at the federal and state level.
So at the end of the program, we've got a Capstone Course where you'll actually complete 12 months worth of journal entries, complete year end and some analysis on how that company did for the year, and culminating with a tax return for the sole proprietor owner.
A trait you may have that may make you a good candidate for accounting is if you like things in their proper place. If you like things organized and in the place they should be at the right time, you may be an accountant and not even know it.
But also working well with others, having good communication skills and being a good team player, because when we think about accounting, accountants work with all different departments within an organization: sales and marketing, human resources, sales leadership, the executive team.
You get to know the business inside and out. You get answers to the questions before anybody else sees them. One of the favorite things I liked from prior to teaching was when the president or CEO of the company would come and say, "Jeremy, can we do this? What do you think?" And you get to have influence in all those major decisions.
Our students follow a varied path. Some go on to earn their bachelor's degrees. Some students who went on to become CPAs. Some have gone into governmental accounting. Some have started their own businesses.
And the neat thing about our program is it's laddered. So you can come in and let's say you're focused on being a tax preparer. So you start with our tax preparer certificate and decide, I really like these classes. And then you decide, I'm going to try the bookkeeper certificate or maybe the payroll preparer certificate. All those courses count for credit in our technical diploma degree as well as our associate degree, which Joan mentioned. A lot of students take that associate degree and then will transfer on.
I tell my students I've never gone hungry because I've been an accountant, so it's a well-paying job that's in demand.